Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Hub of Knowledge Mac. Friends, today I am going to teach you regarding internal issues as well as external issues. This is the mandatory requirement in IATF as well as ISO 9001 standard. According to clause number 4.1, context of the organization should have to list down the external issues as well as internal issues. Friends, in 4.1 context of the organization, many people don't have the understanding for the proper meaning of context. Here I will be clear your confusion, so please be continue this video till end. During this session I will cover this video cover topics are: refer clause number in IATF, second, proper meaning of context, third, internal issues of factors, fourth, external issues factors, next, list of internal issues, last one, list of external issues. So friends, these all topics I will cover during this session, so please be continue. Friends, this is our training module template. All trainings are providing with theoretical as well as practical in Excel, PPT, Word with hands-on experience. दोस्तों, हमारे यहाँ जो लोग ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए आते हैं, यदि उनको एक्सेल का ऑपरेट करना नहीं आता हो या पावर पॉइंट पे पीपीटी बनाना ना आता हो, पावर पॉइंट को ऑपरेट करना ना आता हो, वो एक्सेल ऑपरेटिंग एंड पावर पॉइंट पे पीपीटी बनाना भी सीख जाते हैं। हमारे यहाँ से ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद पार्टिसिपेंट्स का आईक्यू लेवल बहुत ही हाई लेवल का हो जाता है और वो लोग अपने लोगों से बहुत आगे तक कैरियर में ग्रोथ कर जाते हैं। सो प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट द नंबर ऑन गिवन इन स्लाइड। फ्रेंड्स, रीड स्मार्ट एंड बिकम स्मार्ट एंड ग्रो इन करियर, दिस इज आवर टैगलाइन। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन क्लॉज नंबर 4.1, अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इट्स कंटेक्स्ट. This clause number covered the requirement of internal issues as well as external issues of organization. Now I will make you understand what is the proper meaning of context. Context means a combination of external and internal factors that have a direct impact on the organization and its ability to continue providing products and services to its customers. Friends, context means the combination of external issues and internal issues जो कंपनी के ऊपर डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं, जिसकी वजह से कंपनी का क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है और हैम्पर हो सकता है। ऐसे कम्बिनेशंस को हम कंटेक्स्ट बोलते हैं। The standard also defines that the issues must be relevant to the company's strategic direction and purpose and that issues could affect its ability to achieve the QMS intended result. Friends, this is the biggest challenge for us, how to identify the internal issues and external issues in an organization. Whenever we list down the internal issues and external issues in organization, it should be related to organization QMS and they directly intended to get a expected result. Now comes on categorization of issues. There are two types of issues: internal issues and external issues. Internal issues include things like knowledge, work culture, core values, performance of organization, process complexity, customer relationship, etc. So friends, these are the factors related to internal issues. Now external issues include things like technological constraint, legal requirement, cultural, social, economical, regional, national, local means competitive, technology and market, that's related to national local. So friends, whenever we make the list of internal issues and external issues in an organization, all factors should be considered for making two types of issues. Now let's move list of internal issues. Friend, these all are the internal issues. I have tried to explain all kind of issues related to different departments. First, purchase. What kind of issues include in purchase? Supply, delivery and quality issues. Next, raw material storage at our end. मीन्स रॉ मटेरियल को स्टोर करने का भी एक इशू हो सकता है, उसको कैसे रखना है, प्रॉपर प्लेसेस है या नहीं है, उसकी कंडीशंस क्या क्या हैं, फीफो मेंटेन करना है या नहीं करना है. सो दिस इज द वन काइंड ऑफ इशूज इन परचेज डिपार्टमेंट. सेकंड वन, डाई मेंटेनेंस. गुड कंडीशन ऑफ टूल अवेलेबल, ओपन एरिया स्टोरेज. अगर हम टूल एंड डाई को किसी ओपन एरिया में रखते हैं तो वहाँ पे रस्ट भी लग सकता है, वियर एंड टीयर भी हो सकता है. दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ इशूज रिलेटेड टू डाई मेंटेनेंस. थर्ड वन इज क्वालिटी. लीड टाइम फॉर डेवलपमेंट इज मोर. मटीरियल हैंडलिंग इशूज, कस्टमर कंप्लेंट. दीज थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरनल इशूज कम्स अंडर क्वालिटी. फोर्थ वन, FG स्टोरेज यानी फिनिश गुड स्टोरेज. मटेरियल कीपिंग, शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्पेस, फीफो मेंटेनेंस. ये फिनिश गुड को स्टोरेज करते समय क्या क्या इशूज आ सकता है, ये उससे रिलेटेड है. मटेरियल को कैसे रखना है, स्टोरेज ऑफ स्पेस का ही प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, फीफो अगर मेंटेन नहीं करोगे तो भी दिक्कत हो सकती है. तो दीज थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ इशूज रिलेटेड टू फिनिश गुड स्टोरेज. फिफ्थ वन, डिस्पैच. ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी टू द कस्टमर. व्हीकल प्लानिंग फॉर डिस्पैच. These two types of issues linked with dispatch department. Next, production. Part collecting trolleys damage lead to non-maintenance of 5S trolley and bin issues at production shop. These all types of issues related to production shop. Next 7, HR यानी human resource. Non-availability of casual labor during festival season leading to production loss. Issues related with employees motivation. These are the issues related to HR department. Now 8th one, maintenance. Machine breakdown issues and spare parts non availability issues. These two types of issues arised for maintenance department. 9th one, marketing. Condition with marketing and plant at the time of development. Second one, inadequate capturing of customer requirements. These two types of issues related to marketing department. 10th one and last, accounts and finance. Dispatch and sales, mismatch of sales and finished good. These issues related to account and finance. So friends, this is the list of internal issues related to different department in an organization. You can take reference from this slide for making internal issues list for any organization. Now let's move list of external issues. External issues are: first one, legal and other requirements issues, quick changes in legal and other requirements. Second one, supplier on time delivery is the issues related to supplier in external issues. Third one, customer satisfaction, quick response to customer. These are two types of external issues related to customer. Social and cultural issues, pollution control. This is the issue related to social and cultural issues. So friends, I hope you guys are understood types of issues, internal issues, external issues and list of internal as well as external issues. If having any clarification, please call the number given in slide. Thank you.